What is going on, ATS?
It's ATS, Jerry.
Back here with another video. We're gonna do a mukbang. Everyone has different things. I don't even know or whatever it is. Okay, wanna start there?
Okay, what do you gotta eat?
I got Freddy's frozen custard and steak burgers. Shout out to Freddy's for giving my sister less than what I asked for.
Yeah. I got Freddy's. I got bacon cheese hamburger. Yeah. And then I got some steak fries, best in the world. But I also got In-N-Out fries to compare them, because with salt they so. And I got a shake and some Dr. Pepper.
Shit, I'm so bad. Okay, cool. Let's go on.
I got a sandwich from this place called Chiba Hut. It's like a stoner Subway. You know, shout out to
Weed.
Yes, the Mary Jane. Shout out to the one. That's the one nearest to me. And I got
They're gonna
Doritos.
find your fucking house.
They're gonna find
Go to
you.
your house.
No, I said
Everybody's from
You just said
who's one nearest to me?
you said near my house. That's not near me.
Who's
My address is on
Oh, I got-
60.
And I got this cool treat, like it's like a Rice Krispie with marshmallow in it.
Oh jeez.
And then I got Kool-Aid. So yeah, that's what I got.
I got panda. I got a bowl. You know, honey walnut shrimp, fried rice, and then I got ragoons on the side, and then medium drink. Boom.
I got nuggets. Cause I'm basic.
Basic
Chicken nuggets.
Fries and a curry.
From where?
Oh, McDonald's.
Yo, everything's gonna be soggy. It's pretty rainy.
Anyway, what did you get, Angelina?
I got Freddy's and I got 2 big chicken tenders and
You got 2?
yeah.
Are we?
Yes, 2.
Wait, how many?
How many were you supposed to get?
We're not eating yet, are we?
How many were you
Yeah, you
supposed
can
to get?
start.
Like 5 at least.
2 and 2. You can get 2.
Who does that? Like, who messes up says
No,
5?
That's just like Wendy's.
She
with
ordered
the
a whole
sausage.
order, but they gave her 2.
She's supposed to get 5.
What? That's
This is why you
illegal.
always check before you leave, but I never do that, so.
No, I sit right there and I'm like, oh, let me check my
I mean, we
bag.
have 2 pieces in the store.
What'd you get, Brie?
And I got Wiener Schnitzel, 2 corn dogs, and a drink.
So I got a burrito.
From?
Federico's.
Oh, Frederick.
And I was gonna get a shake, but I didn't want to be late eating.
And I was gonna get Firehouse, but I didn't want to be late.
Yeah, we all set a time.
Late.
Not follow it.
Well, some of us.
Are we eating?
From this side
Yeah, where you
of the
can see this.
table.
Yeah. for this actually.
Well, anyways, guys, pull up a chair, get your food, and eat with us.
Because we're not in a chair.
Because
Yeah.
we're standing up. Because we love you guys.
No, we just couldn't film anymore.
I wouldn't say love. I don't know you. We appreciate you guys.
Alright.
So how's everyone's food? I haven't ate mine yet.
Oh, it's pretty bomb.
Taste it.
I don't like it.
It's like a chicken with ranch sandwich.
Little secret, you guys don't know. If you guys don't like soy sauce, you can get teriyaki sauce, put that on your rice or whatever you like.
Not a secret.
That really isn't a secret. I do that.
I know.
Oh, shit, if people don't know, there you go. You're welcome.
Pretty bomb.
Everyone's like, yeah, I already knew that.
You're like,
At least you have
I got ketchup because of Breeze. She's a base.
So,
Man, all these establishments messing up, man.
No.
Yeah, they really did. Something.
We're gonna mess up. What
I
y'all talking
blame
about?
the minimum wage workers.
wait. What?
Hold up.
I'm just saying at Burger King we don't mess up.
Oh. Your minimum
What?
What?
wage. Your minimum wage.
Exactly.
You're contradicting.
Your Burger King messes up all the time.
Hey, it's not when I'm working.
Just kidding.
Well, guys, let's talk about why we haven't uploaded in 3 months. Let's get straight to the point.
So why haven't we uploaded in 3
Yeah. Well, no, we uploaded 3 months. Them, it was like way longer than 3 months. Because ours is the Halloween. Well,
No,
ours was the Halloween spirit.
We haven't uploaded in 3 months.
We're not a thriving channel yet.
That's true.
Still, we're gonna talk about our
Yeah.
coming back.
That's right.
We gotta come back.
We've all been busy with school and work. We all try to, work around each other's schedules, but it's really hard. Us
by the New England Patriots.
Oh God.
That'd be horrible. I don't get it.
Because they know they own everything.
They're taking over.
How are your chicken tenders?
Eat 'em.
Oh.
How are your fries?
All two.
So anyways, guys, do you want some chicken nuggets? I can have some.
What?
What do you guys want to do for our next video?
Very good.
Here you go.
Your Ouija board.
Okay, well.
No, I'm joking.
Nope.
I don't mess with this.
They didn't get enough likes on that other video.
Yeah, we did.
Yes, we did.
Reached it. Yeah.
Well, that real.
Yep.
What?
Yep.
What do you guys think of your food?
Oh, my God.
It's pretty good. I like it.
What?
Geez,
What?
it's really raining.
It's been sitting out for 40 minutes.
It's pretty cold, but it's fine.
I can't feel my hands. I'd like to do a skip for the next video.
About what?
If I'm gonna spoil the content.
We haven't done anything else.
Let's say it's hinting at reality TV.
Okay. Right.
Keeping it up with Ruben.
I see nipples.
Perhaps.
It's raining so much already.
It really is.
It's okay. I like my new wet.
Oh. I would like to do a challenge.
What kind of challenge?
Whoa!
It's
Oh, I don't know my phone's on what.
We should do one of those go into the worst or best place reviewed in my city. We'll see.
We're fine. I didn't get it.
Well, me and Eddie already talked about that.
Oh really?
We
Wait,
talked
really?
about doing the
Yeah.
worst restaurant.
So, do you guys say we're back now?
We are back
So we're gonna
now.
start uploading more, hopefully, right? Guys? We're gonna start up every 2 weeks.
Okay, wait. Don't make a commitment yet.
Every 2 weeks.
We're gonna try.
3 weeks.
So happy Valentine's Day, guys. I'll see you.
Oh,
I'll see you guys next year.
Happy Christmas. Happy Hanukkah.
Once a year.
Happy birthday.
I can't swim.
Camera's getting wet, so like.
Yeah, we need a.
So videos once a week, right?
Heck yeah.
Oh yeah.
Sure.
What day should we
We
upload?
need 50,000
Wednesday?
likes.
Yeah. I have.
If we get 500 likes, we're gonna record every
No,
upload. Like when it's gonna go on.
Yeah. Alright, guys, you heard it here. Videos every Wednesday,
Every
Wait,
Wednesday, recording every Sunday.
4 o'clock. No, I don't know when.
We like to thank our editing
Uploads
team.
on Wednesday. Alright, guys, this has been.
I'm not finished my brew yet.
Doesn't matter.
Okay, my name is.
Oh my God. Justin.
Sorry. There, that's my name.
What?
Justin.
Bree?